Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the car because I had to set some fireworks up. I have the poppets because Gio is at home and he's about to get pranked. So technically I have five right here. So I'm gonna go home. I have to pick up my son. I was trying not to do it in front of my son, but I have to pick him up now, and I'm just gonna put the headphones on him. And yeah, so I'm gonna, hopefully he does not wake up because he has to go to work soon. But I'm just gonna set the camera and we'll see his reaction. I hope it works because he's a really heavy sleeper, and I don't know, I'm probably gonna scream if I don't like hear him say anything, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera. We'll see his reaction and what he does. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you guys can keep up with our videos and follow our new journey. Hey guys, I just got back and I'm gonna go in the room. I'm gonna set up the camera and hopefully he's fully asleep. Come here. It's gonna be hard to do it with him. This is why I didn't do it with him here. Shh. Come, look, I wanna show you something. I'm gonna show you something. Come on. I'm gonna show you something. Come on. I gotta give him some chips. I'm sorry. But I just gotta do it for this one time. For the one time. Want chips? Yeah, he knows. Okay, I gave him his chips. I sat him down. Wait, I need to grab something from the room, okay? Just watch me, look.
What are you doing? What is that shit?
I was trying to prank you. It wasn't loud enough. Damn, I hurt my lower back. Oh, shit. Oh. Let me see how they sound without. It's time for you to get up.
What the fuck is that?
The pop thing, the pop whatever thing. Oh, I really hurt my lower back. It's gonna hurt for like 2 days. You know what, guys? I think I should give up. Right? I should stop doing pranks. You gotta get up. It's time for you to get up. Yes. I really hurt my lower back. Look, I forgot. Look what I had to do, because I thought it was gonna be too loud. So I covered him up with hats, because I couldn't find the headphones. You eating your chips? You're eating your chips? Yummy? It was so hard. You know, you were being kind of loud. Anyways, this was a failed prank, so it doesn't matter. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. I tried.
Bye.
I do be trying. I do be thinking that I'm gonna be successful in it, like I'm gonna succeed the prank, but it just never works. It just never works. I don't know. I need to find something that has to really, like, I need to find something that will really get him. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Mama.
And yes.
Hi.
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 You want to say bye?
Bye.
Beso. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you guys so you guys can get notified the next time I post a video. Bye.